Hello!
Here's the process on how I do my makeup for Junji Ito's character, Souichi.
For my Souichi makeup, I already went ahead and put on a bunch of foundation to get kind of like a lighter pigment because of the fact that I don't really have a white foundation, and Souichi, he's kind of has like accentuated dark features, and I kind of want to give it a Junji Ito aesthetic. I'm just gonna put this lighter contour here, and I'm just gonna kind of go around and put it all over my face. I'm not good with makeup U-turns, but basically I put it on all the parts that I want to highlight, like my cheeks, here, my nose, here, my lips, and under my eyes, just so then it'll accentuate the black line thingies I'm gonna put on it because, you know, Souichi, that's kind of the plan. I'm gonna take some black and I'm gonna put it all around my jawline, and I'm gonna contour around my nose and a little on my lips and on the bridge right near where my eyes are to accentuate certain areas. This is kind of how it looks like before I start blending, and you're just gonna go pulling it downwards from your neck, blending it in, giving it kind of like a comic feel to it. So when it looks on camera, it kind of pops out your face, which I think looks kind of cool. Okay, don't do this, but I completely forgot to put the contacts in. I can't. Oh god. I'm gonna toilet paper so I don't ruin my makeup. Okay. Woo! Spooky, isn't it? Got my other one. When it comes to contact lenses, don't forget to put that at the start and not midway through, because then you're gonna be tearing up and crying everywhere. Plus, don't forget that after you're done putting them in, to change the water, the solution thingy that you store them in after every use, so that you don't get an infection or whatever, because your eyes are a living, breathing organ, so take care of them so you don't go blind. I need a new pencil liner, so instead I'm smushing this little Q-tip, I'm mushing it into this, and then I'm gonna shape the eyebrow the way I want it. Because I do my eyebrow a specific way where it goes shloopy-doop to look like Souichi, going insane. So what I did is I made a little loop, and then I swooped it around, and then I accentuated the edges. What you're doing is basically only outlining the top of your eyebrow shape. So basically you're going with the shape that you already naturally have and only doing the top bit to kind of give it a shape of its own, to kind of look, ooh, scary. And if you mess up, go over it with like a white liner or like a correction pen to kind of fix out the bits you don't want, and to kind of shape out your eyebrow. After you like outline it, it gives it shape. Now what I'm doing is I'm basically doing the lines that he has in the comic on his eyes, and then I'm adding some white in between in like a weird pattern. Ooh. And now congrats, you're insane. And there we go. You have become Souichi. you will probably see a lot more of this. If you like my content and you like Souichi, please check out my other accounts. And also subscribe, because I'm cool and I know you think I'm cool. And also, if you want more tutorials on how I do my makeup for my cosplays, follow. Cause please, I need more tree friends.